have this huge box, PR box, for Wonder Woman Day. I am going to use my trusty scissors of truth to unbox this. Wonder Woman Day is tomorrow. Anyone a fan of Wonder Woman? Because I sure am. Oh my god, you guys. It's about to get real. Because in my box is another box. It's a pretty box. Hey Wonder Woman fans. Wonder Woman 1984 is finally on the horizon, and we've teamed up with some badass brands to give you the ultimate fan swag to prepare you for the most anticipated release this fall. With these exclusive Wonder Woman 84 items, you'll be sure to serve justice and looks. And that's the lasso of truth. Wonder Woman 1984 is coming to theaters December 25th, 2020. Oh my gosh, this box is really cool. Hot Wheels Wonder Woman 84 Invisible Jet pop figurine. Notebook. Wonder Woman 84 Alex and Ani bracelet. Hyper Matte Intense Lip Mousse. It kind of smells like fruit punch. A Rubik's Cube. Her Universe. A crop top tee. Tank. And this is the front. And then the back is sheer. Thank you so much to Warner Brothers. Bye.